Scottsville, Kentucky. Scottsville is a home rule class city in Allen County, Kentucky, in the United States. It is the seat of its county. The population was 4,226 during the 2010 U.S. Census. History. The site along Bay's Fork was settled in 1797 and developed into a stagecoach station. The town was laid off in 1816 and established the next year. It was named for Kentucky's fourth governor, Charles Scott. In the early 19th century, it was also known as Allen Courthouse and Scottville. Scottsville was the birthplace of what would become the Dollar General nationwide chain of 15,000 stores, with J. L. Turner and his son Cal Turner, Esr, opening their first department store there in 1945. In 1955, the Turners began to open more stores, and in 1968 founded Dollar General Corporation or Dolgen Corp. Geography. Scottsville is located at 36-45 Fiv and 86-34 W 36.751,504 minus 86.192,692. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 5.8 square miles, 15 km2, all of it land. Climate. The climate in this area is characterized by hot, humid summers and generally mild to cool winters. According to the Köppen climate classification system, Scottsville has a humid subtropical climate, abbreviated CFA on climate maps. Demographics. As of the census of 2010, there were 4,226 people, 1,861 households, and 1,130 families residing in the city. The population density was 728.6 per square mile, 281.3/km2. There were 2066 housing units at an average density of 356.2 per square mile, 137.5/km2. The racial makeup of the city was 94.5% white, 2.5% African American, 0.3% Native American, 0.2% Asian, 0.0% Pacific Islander. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 1.4% of the population. There were 1,861 households, out of which 26.6% had children under the age of 18 living with them. Then 38.2% were married couples living together, 17.7% had a female householder with no husband present, and 39.3% were non-families. 35.0% of all households were made up of individuals living alone, and 14.5% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.22, and the average family size was 2.83. In the city, the population was spread out, with 23.2% under the age of 18. The median age was 38.6 years. For every 100 females, there were 86.66 males. For every 100 females aged 18 and over, there were 84.54 males. The median income for a household in the city was $24,960, and the median income for a family was $36,711. Males had a median income of $31,367 versus $29,000. The per capita income for the city was $13,555. About 20.3% of families and 28.5% of the population were below the poverty line, including 35.0% of those under age 18 and 13.5% of those aged 65 or over. Mennonite community. Scottsville is home of the main settlement of the Noah Hoover Mennonites, also called Scottsville Mennonites, a branch of Old Order Mennonites. They did not emerge from a single division, as most other Anabaptist groups, but have a long history of divisions and mergers. They moved to Scottsville in 1978, coming from Snyder County, Pennsylvania. Education. Scottsville Public Schools are part of the Allen County Schools school district. The district has one elementary school, one intermediate school, one middle school, and one high school. 9th through 12th grade students attend Allen County Scottsville High School. Scottsville has a lending library, the Allen County Public Library. Media. Scottsville is home to a weekly newspaper, the Citizen Times, which was founded in 1890. 2 radio stations, WVLE 99.3 FM and WLCK 1250 AM. WVLE recently changed broadcast formats from country to a variety of adult contemporary hits from the past 3 decades. The all-new Love FM, as the station is now known, also has twice daily news segments covering Scottsville and the rest of Allen County. Notable people: Mordecai Ham, evangelist born near Scottsville; Jim McDaniels, professional basketball player; Lattie Moore, singer, songwriter, and musician; Rockabilly Hall of Fame member, a member, a member, a member, a member. Remember. Charles Napier, actor and voice actor who was the voice of Duke Phillips. Harry Pulliam, 6th president of the National League Major League Baseball and Democratic Kentucky legislator. J.L. Turner, founder of J.L. Turner and Son, the predecessor of Dollar General in Scottsville. Cal Turner, founder of Dollar General. Cal Turner Jr., former CEO of Dollar General and son of Cal Turner. Nora Wilson, Nashville songwriter and record producer. Hillbilly Jim, James Morris, professional wrestler.